Ready? 1, 2, 3. Look, sir.
This program being organized to celebrate Foundation Day and Statehood Day of Andhra Pradesh, Andaman Nicobar Island, Chandigarh, Chhattisgarh, Delhi, Haryana, Jammu and Kashmir, Jharkhand, Karnataka, Kerala, Ladakh, Lakshadweep, Madhya Pradesh, Puducherry, Punjab, Tamil Nadu and Uttarakhand.
Foundation Day of Jammu and Kashmir. ये तो सरस्वती की आवास स्थान है। ऐसा माना जाता है। फाउंडेशन डे ऑफ जम्मू एंड कश्मीर, लद्दाख, आंध्र प्रदेश, छत्तीसगढ़, हरियाणा, कर्नाटक, केरला, मध्य प्रदेश, पंजाब, तमिलनाडु, अंडमान निकोबार आइलैंड्स, छत्तीसगढ़, दिल्ली, लक्षद्वीप, पांडिचेरी, झारखंड एंड उत्तराखंड. Distinguished guests, respected top level officers, ladies and gentlemen, it gives me great pleasure to join you all in this celebrating the Statehood Day of several states and union territories of our great nation. I congratulate the people of Andaman and Nicobar, Andhra Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Delhi, Haryana, Jammu and Kashmir, Jharkhand, Karnataka, Kerala, Ladakh, Lakshadweep, Madhya Pradesh, Punjab, Pondicherry and Tamil Nadu. And Uttarakhand on the special occasion of their Foundation Day. Each of this region has its own unique history, culture, and identity. Yet all of them are bound by the shared spirit of unity in diversity that defines the soul of India. From the Himalayas of Ladakh to the coastlines of Tamil Nadu, from the fertile plains of Punjab and Andaman, Lakshadweep and Pondicherry, each represents a vibrant chapter in India's story of development and democracy. Today, as we celebrate their Foundation Day, let us also reaffirm our commitment to our ideas, and cooperation, inclusivity, and national unity. Under the visionary leadership of our Honorable Prime Minister, Shri Narendra Modi ji, India is moving forward with the spirit of Ek Bharat, Shresth Bharat, where every state and union territory is an equal partner in our journey towards Viksit Bharat 2047, a developed, empowered and harmonious India. Let us take this occasion to honor the people, culture and achievements of each these regions and to express our collective resolve to continue strengthening the bonds that hold our great republic together. On this joyous occasion, I extend my warm greetings and best wishes to the people of all the states and union territories. May they continue to prosper and contribute to the peace, progress and unity of our nation.